राधे राधे मेरे भाइयों. Today I'm going to solve a new question of Leetcode 451. Sort characters by frequency. So I will read the question. Given a string S, sort it in the descending order based on the frequency of the characters. Means the character who have more frequency will come first, and the character who have less than this character frequency will come second. So return the sorted string. If there are multiple, answer return any of them. Means if there are two characters having same count, you can put anywhere at any position, right? So as in the given test case tree, I will first go through the first test case to explain you. First test case is tree, right? So as you can see, a T has occurrence of 1, R has occurrence of 1, and he has 4. So E has count 2, T has count 1, R has count 1. So the character who has more frequency is 2, C. So C will come first, C. Now T and R has both the same frequency, so no matters, you can put anywhere at any position. So CCTR. So as you can see, EETR, sorry, character was E, not C, by mistake. So the second test can be C, A, B, A, C, D, E, right? So as you can see, C has frequency of 4, A has frequency 2, B has frequency 1, and D has frequency 1. So which character has more frequency? C has more frequency, so C will come first. So how many frequency was there? 4 frequency. So C will come first. Then A has 2, so 2 will come then. B and D at same frequency, so you can put anywhere, anyone. So the answer will be C, B, D. So I hope you understand the question. Now let me tell you the intuition how you can think of. So the first thing you will notice is you have to maintain count, right? For every frequency you have to maintain count, then you have to perform some operations. As in the given test case, as in the given problem, he's saying you have to perform, like you have to sort the string based on the frequency, means you have to maintain the count for every character, right? And second thing, the more frequency will come first, and the less frequency will come later, right? So the first thing you have got is frequency count. Second, if you got the frequency, then you have to just arrange in some order, right? So the thing which come in my mind is after saying that I have to maintain some frequency, map. So map does what map does. Map keep a variable corresponding to his count. So like 1 has 3 counts, so it will keep like this. In the previous video I've already told you map. So map does key and value pair, right? I have some key, and regarding to this key I will some value. So how the map works? So see, 1 2 3 1 2. So first in map there is nothing, so I put map simply with a count 1, right? Now 2 comes, 2 is, and 2 is like 2 occurrence in map is 0, means 2 is not there, so I'll 2 as a 1. Again 3 came, 3 has a count 1 because it is not already in the map. So again 1 comes, so it will not put again with a new key value pair, it will just increment the value. So 1 has 2 counts, so 1 is counted as 2. Again 2 came, so 2 frequency will be added. So it will look like this: 1 has count 2, 2 has count 2, and 3 has count 1. So I hope you understand why you use map. We use map to keep the key value pair, right? So in the given test case, in the given problem, you have to do the same. You have to keep count of all those free characters, right? So what you can do, you can simply put all these characters in the map. So first E is there, so is E already present in the map, so E is not there, so I will keep E as 1 count. Again E came, so is E already present in the count? Yes, it is present, so I will simply increment the count as 2. Now R came, R is not there, so R is 1, T is 1, right? So I am able to keep the count of all those characters, but again I have to see that I have to arrange those letters in the increasing frequency. In the character who has more frequency will come first, the character who has less frequency will come later. So we have to keep track of frequency, higher order frequency. So what next step I can think of, means the higher frequency will come first, right? So we have to keep count of frequency, means numbers. So can we think of priority queue? Priority queue, what priority queue does is, like if you put any number in the priority queue, the number which is highest will come first. Like there are two, mean heap or max heap, right? Mean heap, the character like the number which has less value will come at the top, and max if does the character which the value which has more value, will come first, right? So as you can see in the given test case, what you in the given problem, what you have to do, you have to just think of the frequency which is more will come first. Means I have to keep the frequency of all the characters, and the maximum frequency character will come at the should be at the top, so that I can access it the first time. So what I will do, I in map I have already all the characters, right? As you can see, let me change the color. This is the map, right? E has 2 occurrence, R has 1, T has 1. Now what I want, like if I put into the map, the arrangement is not you want, like arrangement can be like anywhere, or you can think in any position, right? R at bit top, T at bit the top, E at bit the bottom. So you don't want this arrangement, you want this arrangement like the maximum frequency should come top and the later should be come down, right? So maximum frequency should come top, means you can think of priority queue. Priority queue will do the job for you, like the maximum frequency will come at the top. So what you will do, you will simply put the character with the frequency. In map you have this key value as key value pair. So if you so priority queue does is like you can put any integer number in the priority queue, but you want to put what frequency as well as character. So you need a pair to put, so I will declare a pair. First element will be int. Why int? Because you want frequency, you want to sort the elements using the frequency, not the character. So we'll first integer and then character you want, right? And you will simply initialize priority queue using p. You want max or min priority queue? You want max because the character has highest frequency will come at the top, that's why you are taking maximum priority queue, right? So after having all the characters in the map, ps2 r is 3. After having all the characters with count in the map, you will simply put into the priority queue. So like how it will take in the priority queue, see, first r will be r you will put, so r will come like this, sorry, 1 with a frequency of 1 frequency of r, right? It will come like this because there are no any characters in the priority queue, so 1 will be there at the top. Now p comes as 2, so 2 has more frequency than 1, so 2 will come at the top with p. Now 3 came, so 3 has more priority, more what priority than both of these, so 3 will come at the top. Now as you can see, priority queue offers you at the top you have the maximum frequency element, after that you have second maximum, then you have third maximum, right? So I hope you got why you are taking priority queue. You are taking priority queue because you want to sort the character by frequency, means the highest frequency will come at the top, so priority queue will do the job for you. The maximum what frequency will come at the top, and you can simply put frequency with the character using pair, right? So first take a test case eert. I will simply put into the map, so it will come like r will come at the top, then e2. It is not any mandatory arrangement, you can put like map can put any type, any like in any order, right? So I will simply start putting all the elements from the map to the priority queue, because in map there is no such arrangement that the frequency of highest character will come to the top. So I need priority queue, so I will put into the priority queue, first r will come, so r 1. Why 1 as first pair? Because I want to sort the frequency based on the I want to sort the character based on the frequency, so frequency should come first, so that it can sort using those frequency, right? Again e will come, so e has frequency of count, e has count of 2, so will it come up or down? It will come up because 2 has more priority than 1, so it will come like this, right? Now t has 1, so t will come down. It will arrange by self. Priority queue arrange all the elements in the order by himself only. You do not have to do anything. Now simply take the top. Now simply put and take all the elements from the priority queue and just arrange in the string. So first at the top e is there. E has count 2. So I will simply answer is there. Answer is no string. So I will simply put e as 2 times because a character of 2. Now 1 r. So r will come, then t will come. So the answer will be eert, right? So now I will write the code and I will write on the code. First the test case was eert, right? So first what you have to do? First declaration. Map you will declare. Map with a character, then as a count, right? MPP. Name of map, then priority queue. Why max priority queue? I have already told you that you want to sort character by frequency. So first integer will come, then character will come, right? So now what I will do, I will run a loop till 0 to array size, means array length. Array is a string, so that's why I'm using length I plus plus. Then what I will do, I will put into the map. So map mpp st array of I plus plus. This is the way to keep key value pair of all the character with their frequency. Now after keeping all the frequency with key value pair, what I have to do next, I have to put in the priority queue. So I will iterate into the map now, because map have all the key value pair. So this is the way to loop into the map. For auto is that it will simply like what reassign it as it is. If it is a integer, then it auto will be treated as integer. It is a character, then auto will be treated as a character. You don't have to declare by yourself only, right? So what you will do, you will simply push into the priority queue. First, what element you will push? You will push it dot second. Like key value pair is what, 1 c has occurrence of 2. So this is it dot first, it dot second, key value pair. So what you need to first put, first frequency. So it dot second you will first put, then it dot first. So it will sort you based on the frequency, right? I have already run. So priority queue look like E2 has frequency of E, one frequency as R, and one frequency as T. So what I will do, I will keep taking the element from the priority queue while till when I have to do, when pq size greater than 0, means all element you took already, right? So though how can I count, how many counts? So int count can pq dot top, you can access from top dot first. What this will denote, first, like 2 and e are there, right, in priority queue. So this is first and this is second. First is a count, like he has count of 2, means he is occurring 2 times. So I have taken the count, and now I will take the character x is equals to pq dot top dot second. It will give you the character. Now 2 e is occurring 2 times, so I need to push into the answer string 2 times. So I will run a loop till count greater than equal to 1, greater than equal to 0, right? So count is 2, so e will be pushed 2 times. So answer dot pushback, answer is the string answer, right? Is the pushback character x. So 2 times this loop will run, and the e will be pushed back in the string. So now string is looking like this. So again, now I've written all the code. Now I will run the code. So a b c e d, right? This is the test case, right? So first I will put in the map. Let's see. So a is not there in the map, so you will count of 1. Again a comes, but a is already present in the map. So a has count 2. Again a has count 3, because it is occurring 3 times. B is 1, C has 1, E has 1, and D has 1. Now if I put into the map, so it will look like first 3 will come. No, so I will start from first, right? See, I'll change the color. Yeah, so I will start from D. So D is into the priority queue as 1 and D, right? This will look like this. Again E has 1, so again E and D at same count, so you will put anywhere at any position. So 1 has E, again C has 1 has C. Now B has 1, so 1 has B. Now when A comes, you can see A has count greater than everyone, so A will be at the top. So 3 and A. So now if you keep taking from element from the top, so first you will take 3 and A has a count 3, so you will run a loop 3, and you will push into the answer. Again this is popped. Now 1 has B, so you will put into 1 time B, again C, then E, then D. So this will be the answer string. So I hope you understand the question. Now let me summarize it. Summary, like you have to take the frequency of any character. If every character you want frequency, and you have to sort based on the frequency. So if I need a frequency, I need a map, you can keep a key value pair. And again I can see you have to sort based on frequency, means the higher frequency will come first. So you can use a priority queue, because at any instant priority queue will give you the maximum or minimal minimum at the any instant of time, right? So you can max heap you can take, so the maximum frequency will come at the top, and you have to store frequency as well as the character. So it will sort based on the frequency, and frequency there is correspondence to that character. Every character is correspondence to the its frequency. So you can simply put it to the answer. Now you so the time complexity will be n log k, because every time it priority key will sort based on the frequency. That's why log and log a for the traversal, right? And space complexity will be O of n for map and O of n for the what priority queue. So I hope you understand the question. I will be meeting in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Sri Ram.